Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. We generate quintillions of bytes of information every single day. Welcome to data science. Every click, swipe, and scientific measurement creates raw data. It is often a chaotic mix of unstructured digital information. Data scientists act like digital detectives, actively collecting this massive ocean of raw numbers. First, they perform data cleaning. They must carefully remove errors, duplicates, and broken files. Next, the clean data is securely stored and neatly organized into highly structured digital databases. Algorithms are strict mathematical rules that teach the computer how to sort this information. During data analysis, scientists apply advanced statistics to understand what the organized numbers mean. They search deeply through these massive grids to achieve pattern recognition, finding hidden connections. Today, we have big data. The information is so massive that human brains cannot process it alone. Scientists use machine learning, training artificial intelligence to recognize incredibly deep, complex data patterns rapidly. By analyzing the past, machine learning performs predictive modeling to estimate and forecast future events. They translate this math into data visualization. Complex numbers become clear, highly readable, dynamic digital charts. This powers smart cities, optimizing daily traffic flow and predicting hospital needs before emergencies happen. It also revolutionizes medicine, rapidly sequencing human DNA to identify diseases and help research life-saving treatments. Data science takes raw, chaotic numbers and mathematically transforms them into powerful, actionable human knowledge. Remember, data scientists collect, clean, analyze, and visualize big data to better understand our complex world. The story of the future is written in numbers. Stay curious and follow your data. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.